Kenyan fish curry. This is a seafood dish made with fresh fish, coconut milk, and a variety of spices. It is typically served with rice or chapati. Maharagwe. This is a bean stew that is popular in Kenya. It is made with red beans, tomatoes, onions, and a variety of spices and is often served with ugali. Kuku paka. This is a chicken dish that is popular in Kenya's coastal region. It is made with coconut milk, a variety of spices, and is often served with rice or chapati. Mandazi. This is a type of fried dough that is similar to a donut. It is often served as a snack or as a dessert. Mutura. This is a type of sausage made from minced meat, spices, and cow intestines. It is typically served as a street food snack. Influence on modern cuisine. Kenyan cuisine has had a significant influence on modern cuisine, particularly in East Africa. The focus on using fresh, local ingredients and traditional cooking techniques has become popular in many modern restaurants around the world. The use of spices and flavors in Kenyan cuisine has also become popular in modern cooking, with many chefs incorporating Kenyan spices and flavors into their dishes. For example, the use of coconut milk and a variety of spices in Kenyan fish curry has become popular in many Asian and Caribbean cuisines. Furthermore, Kenyan cuisine has influenced the global coffee industry, as Kenya is known for producing high-quality coffee beans. Kenyan coffee beans are known for their fruity and floral flavors, and they are often used in specialty coffee shops around the world. Finally, it is worth mentioning that Kenyan cuisine is not only about the food but also about the experience. Dining in Kenya often involves communal eating, with dishes being shared amongst friends and family. This creates a unique atmosphere that adds to the dining experience and highlights the country's cultural traditions. Conclusion. In conclusion, Kenyan cuisine is a fascinating and diverse aspect of the country's culture. Its history is shaped by the country's diverse ethnic groups and colonial history, which led to the development of traditional Kenyan dishes. Today, Kenyan cuisine has evolved to become a modern and innovative culinary experience, with chefs using local ingredients and traditional techniques to create new and exciting dishes. The influence of Kenyan cuisine on modern cooking cannot be overstated, and its focus on using fresh, local ingredients and traditional cooking techniques has become popular in many modern restaurants around the world. Kenyan cuisine is an important part of the country's identity, and it is definitely worth exploring for anyone interested in food and culture. Moreover, the availability of ingredients plays a crucial role in Kenyan cuisine. The country's tropical climate and fertile soil create an environment that is ideal for certain types of crops, such as maize, beans, and vegetables. Additionally, Kenya's coastal region is rich in seafood, including prawns, crab, and a variety of fish, which are staple ingredients in many Kenyan dishes. Finally, it is important to mention that traditional Kenyan cuisine can be an acquired taste for some. The use of spices and flavors can create strong and complex flavors that may be unfamiliar to some palates. However, for those willing to try new things, Kenyan cuisine can be a rewarding and unforgettable experience.